As you may or may not be able to tell, I am a puppy. I know that some of my actions may seem confusing to you at times, so I have taken the liberty of inventing these rules to explain my very complex and often trying logic. These are the rules of puppy logic. Rule number 1. It is always playtime. That being said, there are some subsections to this rule. For instance, subsection A, if you look at me, you want to play. B, if you make any movement while I'm looking at you, you want to play. And finally C, if you are a sentient being, you want to play. Rule number 2, a toy can fix any situation. Seriously, any situation, no exceptions. Rule number 3, if you come through the door, you are my friend, and are required to pet me, play with me, and allow me to sniff you. No exceptions. Rule number 4, when you deny me playtime, I will do everything I know I'm not allowed to do so that you'll at least chase me. Come on, I have to have a little bit of fun. It is, after all, always playtime. Rule number 5, no matter how many times you catch me when I get in trouble, one of these times I will escape. I swear it. Rule number 6, even though I've been around for many months, I will make sure to forget everything I've learned at random times and ultimately chew on something I'm not supposed to. I apologize in advance. Rule number 7. Yes, I do want to go on a walk. No, you do not have to ask. Rule number 8. I'm sure that, eventually, the cat will find it in his heart to play with me, and not just slap me in the face a bunch. I must persist. And finally, rule number 9, which is undoubtedly the most important rule, and that is no matter how old I get, I will still be a puppy at heart, even when playtime becomes optional.